Hi there, Jason here for the Hagbayon channel and TMS Talks. Join me for today's hiking activity. Look at my get up. I'm wearing my Eskrima t-shirt and have my deuter backpack, my trusty COVID items, and a side carry my Nicol Ginunting blade. Right, let's check it out, whatever we can check here. I think it's going to rain in a while. It's been raining, so I think we better check. Be careful, cars can just wow, nice bridge. Let's check it out. There's a footbridge here. It's made of concrete anyway, so let's use it. It's kind of meddling with my hand, my mask. So, all right, we're here. Nice. Check that out. Really nice bridge. It's been raining, so current is really strong lately. My mother used to bathe here when she was a little girl. Water current is kind of strong because of the rains. Let's look for a better spot. Better spot. There. There, we found a better spot where we can just sit down. It's kind of rocky. Now maybe I could place my anti-COVID items right here, so we could just watch the current from here. Yes, nice. So it's drizzling. We are covered by this canopy of leaves. Maybe we can transfer here. Better spot. Now, is that a syringe? God damn. What's this syringe doing here? Wow. Right. Right, we can place our camera here. Oh, we can't appreciate the body of water. Just see, it's raining. There's Carabao up there. Nice place. It's great that we got here before the rain actually caught up with us. Right. Raining quite hard right now, and need to get to my COVID items lest it becomes wet. But there you go. Alright, nice. The backpack is getting a little bit wet. That's fine. Nice, you can see the bridge from here. And that's really an old bridge. You can check out the date of the bridge or the date of construction of the bridge later. Nice. Water current is kind of strong. Water current is strong because it's been raining for the past week. Look at that sort of an island there. Brought about by avulsion. Some kind of avulsion. Perhaps during the series of storms that hit this area last year, late last year. Really nice. Really nice. Thanks for the canopy of tree. You're not getting wet. In a place like this, you can just listen to the water. You know, listen to the water. Meditate. Stuff like that. Nice. It's actually tempting to take a dip. It's tempting to take a dip. But water current is really strong, so I wouldn't risk it. I wouldn't risk it. Right, thanks for joining me. Thanks for joining me. Join me again next time. Remember, the pen is mightier with the blade.